Hello everyone and welcome back. So today's video is going to be the Smart Closet app tutorial. It's pretty self-explanatory when you get in there and just start clicking around. But I'm just going to show you. So when you open up the app here, it has sections where other people have made theirs public. You don't have to do that, but it has the option. So I was just scrolling through to show y'all, because if you click on one of them to open them, a lot of times if you click again on the picture, it'll have where everything's from. So if someone's labeled the brands, or it'll tell you what brand of clothing it is. So that part is pretty neat too. So I'm showing you where you go in to view your closet, which is the little hanger icon. So here are the pictures that I've already taken of all of my clothes, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. So you just click the camera symbol and then just take a photo. You can use whatever backdrop you have. I just hung mine up on the closet door. So when you click OK, it's going to go to this screen to edit. So I'm going to change the background to white, and then I'm going to hit this button in the corner to flip the image. So now I'm going into category, and I'm going to select sweaters and pullovers. And then I go into color, and I'm just going to select green for the green sweater. So it's pretty cut and dry. I mean, you can load different things into it. You can put the brands or how much you bought it for, so you can actually keep a total of like how much your closet, like the cost runs or anything like that. I mean, there's a lot of different things on the app that you can utilize, but this is basically just how I'm doing it. So again, you have the picture, so I'm just changing, flipping the image and then changing the background. And then I'm just going through and marking what category. And you can actually go in to, I think, the menu settings or account settings, and you can add different categories. You can make subcategories off of categories. The only thing that I couldn't find was to add color. But I mean, I really don't think I would be looking it up that way. But if you did want to, it'd be nice to have more specific colors. But the app is actually pretty well done too. In this photo, I'm going to show you, because this sweater has metallic strands in it, so it is actually silver. So it has like silver thread. So whenever I'm changing the background, I just like the way it looks better without it being black. So I'm just going to do this auto cropping. And as you can tell, it doesn't really work that great the first time, but if you do it again, it's going to clear up. So basically it's only showing that specific piece and not any of the background. And you want to try to use that feature of it whenever you're putting together full outfits, because there's a section where you can actually create outfits. So you're posting multiple pictures, like kind of overlapping each other. So here I'm just showing that if you scroll down, it has gold and silver options. So that's pretty nice. So that way, you could always add that too. So you would know what color jewelry works best with what item. So it's pretty neat overall. There's also a calendar feature, so you can mark when you last wore something. But I hope this gave some of y'all ideas, and just download it and have fun. Bye guys.